Today we will see introduction to the AutoCAD Mechanical. So, introduction. AutoCAD is a 2D and 3D computer-aided design CAD software application developed by Autodesk. It was first released in December 1982 for the CP/M and IBM PC platform as a desktop app running on microcomputers with internal graphics controller. Initially a DOS application, subsequent versions were later released for other platforms, including classic Mac OS 1992, Microsoft Windows 1993, and Mac OS 2010, iOS 2010, and Android 2011. AutoCAD is general drafting and design application used in industry by architects, project managers, engineers, graphics designers, city planners, and other professionals to prepare technical drawings. AutoCAD history. Before AutoCAD was introduced, most CAD programs run on mainframe computers or mini computers, with each CAD operator user working at a separate graphical terminals. AutoCAD was derived from a program that began in 1977 and then released in 1979 called Interact CAD, also referred to in early Autodesk document as MicroCAD, which was written prior to Autodesk then Marine Chip Software Partners formation by Autodesk co-founder Michael Riddle. The first version by Autodesk was demonstrated at the 1982 Comdex and released that December. AutoCAD supported CP/M 80 computers as Autodesk's flagship product. By March 1986, AutoCAD had become the most ubiquitous CAD program worldwide. The first Unix version was released 10 for Linux in October 1989, while the first version by Windows was released in February 1993. How is PLM related to CAD? PLM means Product Lifecycle Management. Now we will see how is PLM related to CAD. Multicad in PLM can help you reduce product development time and cost by eliminating data conversion and translation errors and delays. Enhance product development flexibility and agility by enabling the use of best CAD system for each design task. Now, PLM, what is PLM? Product Lifecycle Management. It is a strategic process that involves managing all aspects of product life cycle from its conception to its disposal. PLM helps business plan and execute each stage of the product's life cycle, including design, development, distribution, marketing, and sales. PLM can also help business across functional teams using a standard approach to delivering products. For example, PLM can establish a digital thread that connects product, factory, customer, and machine. IoT means Internet of Things. This can help break down data silos. Silos means a system, process, or department, etc., that operates in isolation from others. That is called as silos. Reduces the complexity of gathering data and improve decision making and innovation. This is product lifecycle management image. In product lifecycle management, first customer need is being taken into scene, then design is taken into consideration, then testing, manufacturing, maintenance, and disposition is taken into consideration. Means whole life cycle of a product is being managed. There are 4 stages of PLM. PLM means product life cycle management. First stage is development stage. The first stage of product life cycle is the development stage. This is the process of figuring out what type of product you want to introduce to the market. For example, you may do some market research to take a lot of opportunities for potential growth. Then you might take a look at capabilities of your company to figure out how you can create a product that has been designed to meet those needs. There might be a lot of testing that takes place during this stage, and you will work hard to figure out what product you want to roll out. Based on research you have conducted, you will be customize your product to address customer pain points before realizing it. Second is growth stage. Growth stage, you need to focus on promotional strategies and growth marketing to generate as much interest in your product as possible. As the market for your product expands, you may tweak some of the features that way you can make it more appealing based on the feedback you get from your customers. Third stage is maturity stage. As the industry begins to reach market saturation, you will arrive at the maturity stage. This is a sign that is becoming more competitive in the market. You might notice that your sales start to slow down. Your sales numbers do not necessarily start to decline, but they are not increasingly as quickly as they were before. You may want to invest in some product bundling. Product bundling is a market strategy that involves selling two or more products together as a single unit for one price. Fourth stage is decline stage. There are four reasons for decline stage. Four top reasons for decline stage. These are: there is too much competition, the product is outdated or replaced, customer lose interest in the product, the brand image is damaged. What are the uses of product life cycle in business? Product life cycles are used by management and marketing professionals to help determine advertising schedules, price points, expansion to new product markets, packaging, redesign, and more. This strategy method of supporting a product are known as product life cycle management. Key features of capabilities of AutoCAD: drawing and drafting. AutoCAD allows user to create precise 2D drawings and technical documentation with a wide range of drawing and drafting tools. It is commonly used for creating architecture plans, floor layouts, electrical schematics, and more. 3D modeling. In addition to 2D drawings, AutoCAD supports 3D modeling, enabling user to create three-dimensional models of objects, structures, and products. This is essential for visualizing and simulating complex designs. Customization. AutoCAD is highly customizable, allowing users to create as and use custom templates, symbols, and scripts to automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows. Collaboration. AutoCAD provides collaboration features that allows multiple users to work on same drawing simultaneously. It also supports cloud-based storage and sharing of design files. Now we will see the welcome screen of AutoCAD. This is the welcome screen of AutoCAD. Here, get started, our new drawing can be started. There are templates in AutoCAD. For 2D drawing, ACAD.twt is used. For 3D drawing, ACAD 3D.twt is used. DWT stands for drawing template. Sheet sets. Sheet sets can be architecture imperial, architecture metric, civil imperial, civil metric, manufacturing imperial, manufacturing metric. These are the templates. From here we can open files, recent files which are in the which are saved in our computer. These are tabs, these are thumbnails. From here we can also see recent documents like this, like image and name of a document, or just a name of a document, name of a drawing, sorry. But I should recommend to use this as name and image of a document, of a drawing. These are the notifications. When you use licensed software, then notifications are sent by the Autodesk company, and you can also sign in and explore what are new commands or new features are there in AutoCAD. You can interact or you can save documents on cloud. For this Connect is used. हाँ 2 मिनट